Hi class, just wanted to do this quick recording and talk about the answer to this opportunity cost problem. Some of you have probably already done it in the homework. If not, this will be an answer to the question. So let's read it. Suppose that the economy of El Paso creates only cowboy boots and pecans. So again, we've got cowboy boots on the y-axis and pecans on the x. This green line is our PPF, our production possibilities frontier. So it says the production possibilities frontier, PPF, for El Paso is illustrated in the graph and is currently producing at the point labeled A. So they are right here. This means they're currently producing 5,000 pecans and 2,000 cowboy boots. Okay? It says now. It says move point B to show the economy efficiently producing 1,000 more cowboy boots. So some key things here to note are it says efficiently producing. So we want to move point B to where it's efficiently producing. Now we would say, and it says 1,000 more. So here is on this axis is the cowboy boots being produced. We want to move it from A up 1,000. Except we know that this point can't be outside the production possibilities frontier. That's kind of the whole point. So what we know is we can't slide up the y-axis without also sliding down the x-axis. So as we slide B up 1,000 boots, it has to slide down the x-axis. So B goes up like that. So now over here you can see we've gone up from 2 to 3,000. We've gone down from 5,000 to 3,600. And this number right here, this 3,600, just shows where this line comes down. So it comes down, you can see there's 3,000, there's 4,000. This is just showing us this brown line is 3,600. So it says now determine the opportunity cost of producing an additional 1,000 cowboy boots, i.e., which means that is, shifting from point A to point B. So we move from here, point A, to point B. Enter your answer specified to one decimal place. Well, that's easy. There's no decimals really here. So from here to here, we go up 1,000. That's the additional 1,000. How much down did we have to go? Well, we went from 5,000 to 3,600. We can just take 5,000 minus 3,600. 1,400 is our difference. So the opportunity cost is 1,400 pecans. Now if we keep going down, it says shift point C to indicate El Paso increasing production of cowboy boots from B to another 1,000. So we were at 2, it goes up to 3. It wants to know what's the opportunity cost from producing 1,000 more. So again, we have to slide the point from here up the line, because we can't just go up 1,000, because that's outside of our production possibilities frontier. We have to slide it up the line. So as we go up on the y-axis, as we produce more boots, we produce less pecans. And as it turns out, once we produce 1,000 more, so from here to here, and now here to here, we have to give up all of these pecans. So the last question is the opportunity cost in pecans. Well, up 1,000, we went from 36 down to 0. So that tosses all the pecans. So obviously 36,000 down to 0, or 3,600 down to 0 is 3,600. This PPF exhibits what kind of opportunity cost? Well, increasing. And that's kind of the whole point of this whole problem, is that with the curved line, and we spent a decent amount of time talking about this in class, but with the curved line, what you're seeing is that going from A to B, it only cost us, 1,400 pecans. But going from B to C, getting that extra 1,000 cost us 3,600. That's an example of increasing opportunity costs. And the reason is because of specialization. You're now taking pecan farmers and making them do cowboy boots. You're taking land that used to be good for pecan production and making cowboy boot facilities. You're taking equipment that used to be good for growing pecans, and you're using it to make cowboy boots now. And I know this is all silly, but it's just an example, right? But the point is that as you increase and produce more and more on one good, the specialization that you gained from the other good is going down, or you're losing out on that benefit. And so the opportunity cost is increasing. This is compared to a straight line, which has, consistent opportunity cost. And we talk about both in this class. We've talked about this a lot, both on today's class and Monday. So make sure you watch the recording from today's lecture if you haven't done so already. And I hope this is helpful as well.